We got the GPR V5 and we're going to be installing it on a 2019 Yamaha R6. First thing we're going to be doing is taking this bolt out, and then we're going to replace that with the frame mount. And be sure not to tighten this bolt all the way just yet. You don't want to tighten the clamp bolt just yet. And then once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and take these two caps off, and there'll be two bolts underneath those. So once you have those bolts out, you're going to go ahead and put the actual stabilizer mount on here, and you're going to use the two long screws that they provided. And if you have aftermarket clip-ons, you're going to want to use the lock nuts that they provide, but if you have stock clip-ons like me, they say that you don't have to use them. So now you're gonna want to get the mount and put the mount down here. Also, you want to make sure that both of these bolts are loose so you can fit everything up, mock everything up before you completely tighten everything. Drop it in the bracket and then tighten these two bolts. After you tighten these two bolts, you're going to want to go ahead and clamp down the tank bolt. And after that one's torqued down, you're going to want to tighten the clamp bolt. And after that, you should be good. Sit on the bike, turn the bars a little bit, make sure everything turns smoothly. You have no interference, no tight spots. And then, you know, take it around the block or something, make sure everything feels fine. You want to come back and double check every bolt, make sure everything is tight. And after that, you're done, you're good to go. That's going to do it for the install of the GPR V5. Let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comments about the install. I'll be glad to answer them. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.